I was in the process of indicating that the mother was not present. She was personally served on March 19th, 2020. She made an appearance, signed a reset order, and was given further notice of Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested, which was delivered on March 18th, 2021. And she's not checked in, correct?
She's not, Your Honor.
Correct.
The presumed father, Elliot David, is that the presumed father, Ms. Jeffries?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, he's not present. He was personally served on March 12th, 2020 at 18311 East Laurel Shore Drive in Cypress, Harris County, Texas. He did file an answer and has been given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested, which was delivered on March 18th, 2021. And he is not checked in also, correct?
He is not, Your Honor.
All right, we'll have a default hearing as to the mother and
Thank you, Your Honor.
presumed father.
Your Honor, first, I would like to offer in the evidence what is marked as State's Exhibit 8. It's already in the court's record. It should be the DNA results that show that Mr. Elam cannot be excluded as the father of Elam Hawatha Jr.
I don't have anything that's marked State's Exhibit A, but I do have 2 DNA test reports, which I can report on the record, and indicating that the alleged father, Elliot David, is excluded as the biological father of the tested child. The child is subject to this suit, and that Hawatha Elam is not excluded as the biological father of Hawatha Elam Jr. So
Thank you, Your Honor.
that's in the record.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. The state calls Hawatha Tyrone Elam. Mr. Elam, you got a copy of those DNA results. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you saw that the results showed that you could not be excluded as the father of Hawatha Tyrone Elam Jr. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and so do you understand today that we wish to proceed only in establishing the paternity and also asking the court to order court costs in this case, sir?
Okay, I'm not understanding. This not for me to pay child support, it's just for a court cost.
I'll answer that question again, sir. We only want to establish paternity and have the court make a ruling on court costs. Who should pay those court costs? Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And so do you have any objection to us at least establishing paternity in this case?
Yeah, yes, I am a father, yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I passed the only thing that the state is essentially asking in is for paternity to be established to show that Mr. Elam is a father, also to exclude David as a father, and the court make some ruling on who should pay said court costs in this case.
Yeah, the court will order Mr. Elam to pay the court cost as billed. This is going to be a default order establishing the parent-child relationship. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, and it'll have a little blurb in there as well, since we did do DNA on the presumed father that excludes him as well.
All right. Order to be submitted by AG for signature today, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Anything further?
No, Your Honor. May we be excused, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Elam.